The Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Lasubeb, has organized a workshop for employee benefits, asset and inventory officers in all 20 local government education authorities. This workshop is to effectively mitigate financial losses.
The managers must ensure that these materials are available when needed, and that they are available in the measure that is required, and that they are useful. As a matter of fact, when these materials are issued out to those who are the end users. And what we have talked about here is to look at, how to ensure that there is no break in the flow of these materials right from when they are received in the stores and then issued out to end users.
We want to, close up leakages for government resources. We want people to have good knowledge. We want to now encourage them, we want to educate them that they can do more for this country to have the Nigeria of their dream. Protect the resources of this country so that we can use it economically. Then don't buck past blames. Put in your own part. What do you want to give to this country to make it a better place to live in? If you do your part, I do my part, we are getting somewhere.
The training focused on enhancing financial loss control through efficient inventory management and employee benefits administration.
We need to portray good image of our country, you get. Like, we can come up with good Nigerians. Why do you think when we go over there we travel a lot? We as Nigerians, we can empower ourselves. How do we empower ourselves? We learn. We put ourselves up for learning, extra learning. We try to educate ourselves. We spoke about what sector that is booming now. We have the fintech, the technology industry that is booming right now. We can educate ourselves, try to impact ourselves with knowledge to make impact. We can also come up with ideas that can be sold outside of the country and can also generate good revenue for us in Nigeria.
Participants commend Lasubeb for the workshop, which they say will help them improve their services.
The benefits is enormous. Just like what I said earlier, we say we appreciate the government. It has really, this one-day training has really helped all the staff of Finance and Account Department at both Subeb and Local Government Education Authority to boost and also to increase our productivity in our day-to-day activities. So it has really helped them a lot. That's why I said I will really appreciate the government for this program.
I want to appreciate the governor and even the board for putting up a thing like this, because it's an annual program which we usually have in order to create awareness about the development of things in our services. Is to be more conversant with the trending analysis of applications that we have around, because every now and then technology is evolving, and as such you need to be familiar, be aware with the things that you are seeing, so that you'll be able to deliver a good job at the time due, irrespective of all the challenges and the hurdles which you find, and also to create your confidence on the nature of what you are doing.
The one-day workshop is an annual event of Lasubeb.